Hello students, today we will go through of questions based on last class, that was what are Python constructors. So here the questions based on last class are: number one is how many number of init methods can be defined in a Python class. So as you know, init is a constructor method. What is that? It is a constructor method, so keep in mind how many you can define them in numbers. So the second question is, what is the difference between object referencing and copying? Give an example. If you have gone through our last video, this is already there. I have written a code, and in that code both the things have been defined very clearly, and the code has also been written, and you have to look out for what impact is going to make when you are doing object referencing and as compared to your copying. So please you need to define that, and you need to give example of that as well. So if you go through, you will find it there. Then next comes out, which one is called first Python garbage collector system or del magic method. This you will have to have a understanding that what exactly these two are doing, so accordingly you will understand the sequence. So here you need to again get through of sequential operation of these two. Then next comes out, write code lines to initialize your country as India as default for all objects. So I think I will not say too much on this. You need to understand it. Then next comes out question number 5. Explain the difference between shallow copy and deep copy, and which one you prefer in case you want to initialize some variables, class instance variable. So I hope you have understood this, but still you have any query, please feel free. Then next comes out, can you explain when del magic method will be called after object creation? Here actually you see when it can be called. Whenever you are creating your object, then this del method is called, but you need to specify here what all operation can take place before this, if you have defined or if you have not defined. So when this method will be called, this you have to explain. You need to define some of the processes. You need to tell what all will happen when this del method will be called, and call it by explicitly, or it will be done implicitly. That you will have to check out. So these are the questions based on Python constructors, and I hope you will be able to answer all these. So thank you very much for seeing this, please.